Hello, I'm Mr. Ray, and quickly we'll be looking at a question under the angle of elevation. The angle of elevation of the top of a building 39 meters away from a point on the ground is 30 degrees. Find the height of the building. Okay, let's see here we have a building and we also have a point on the ground. So the horizontal line here represents the ground level and we have a point on the ground. So we have the top of the building and the point on the ground. The angle of elevation of the top of a building 39 meters from a point on the ground. The distance between the building and the point on the ground is 39 meters, and we are asked to find the height of the building. If this point was an eye, the object is above the observer and there is an imaginary line of sight. The angle of elevation is the angle between this imaginary line of sight and the horizontal. So theta here is the angle of elevation. There's a line connecting the point on the ground and the object, which is the top of the building. The angle between that line and the horizontal line is the angle of elevation. So bringing out this clearly, we have it in this form. So here is 39 meters, here is h, and here is theta. With respect to theta, the opposite is h and the adjacent is 39. The opposite is the side that is opposite to the angle under consideration, while the hypotenuse is the side that is opposite to the right angle. But here we are dealing with the opposite and the adjacent with respect to theta. The trigonometric ratios that relates the opposite and the adjacent is tangent. So we have it here as the tangent of the given angle is equals to h all over 39. But here the angle is given to be 30 degrees. So here we have it as 30 degrees. So this becomes tan 30 degrees is equals to h all over 39. 30 degrees is a special angle. Special angles are angles such that their trigonometric ratios can be determined without the use of either tables or calculator. So from this figure, where we have it as root 3, 1, 2, and so from this figure we can get the value of tan 30. Tan gives the ratio of the opposite to the adjacent. So here we have the opposite and the adjacent, which is 1 over root 3. So here we have it as 1 over root 3 is equal to h all over 39. H root 3 is equals to 39, dividing both sides by root 3. The value of h is given by 39 all over root 3. But here we're having a surd at a denominator, so we have to rationalize. And we do that by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by root 3. In mathematics, root a times root a is equals to a. So to remove surd from the denominator, we have to multiply the denominator by root 3. But anything that is done to the denominator must be done to the numerator as well. That's why we are multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by root 3 so that salt can be eliminated from the denominator. So now we have it as 39 root 3 all over 3. 3 into 39 is 13. So the final answer is now 13 root 3. Therefore, the height of the building is 13 root 3. Therefore, the height of the building is 13 root 3 meters. Thank you for watching. See you in my next class.